Today we're gonna get the this how to do it. Wait, let me just do something real quick because this isn't private and they'll just broke the bridge. Shit. Well, hope I still know it because if I forget, I'm cooked. There. Now, I did 5, but the bullet train's the most easiest one of them all. But the $50,000? Hell no. Alright, let me get my this and my ordinary stuff. I know, get the thing, the cloud train, we need to go to the key. The key enters to one room. Like, y'all already know. Of course we're gonna go here. And let's just keep going. Shit. Damn it. Well, I derailed myself. Shit. Close one. Let's push cut again. I will go to the other side. On. Okay. Let's get the cloud thing first. Then the ordinary thing. The tundra is this. So just to get it, it's probably little easy but almost hard. So I still remember it in my mind, but hope I still know where the thing is or the gate. Because I have a frozen key, I don't have it already. We will just wait until we get to one thing. Going to go. Wee! Shoot! Reveal. What the fuck? It close anyway. See, started. This one. There it is. Woohoo! If you get in there, you can just use the ball and you can shoot or just do the regular OB. So we need to do it. There, you get the cloud crate, the mysterious key or the short key, and you will get this train. So So now, let me use my speed train real quick because this thing is my fastest, so maybe this can derail itself. Finally. We're going pretty fast now. We need to slow down. That's what I said. Slow down. We like a sheep. We like a sheep. Well, try not to die because if you die, you lose the social key. Hey, listen. Need something fast. Not bad. My brother just came in and just opened and told me to eat. I will just do it later. Well, at least I ain't derailed. Better slow down now. We're gonna go straight. And switch. Let's go! Wee! Let's go! We can do this, we can do this. We can do this. One tip to get it. First, better get the push cart or something faster because we're gonna go straight ahead. Full speed ahead. We following him. This is where you will need the floating key. Yes. There it goes. Unlike the war machine, there's a maze. Like this. This is one. One more. Look at the trees. Of course, these motherfuckers. There. Then there, you should get quickly and get the Tundra Express. Come near, you'll get the Tundra Express. Yay! Bye guys.